My name is Ritha Mulate, and I've been working with Eden Kenya as a monitoring and evaluation officer, taking charge of ensuring that every work that we are doing has an impact. And this is Media Creek, a site just next to Arabuko Sokoke, and is one of the hotspots of bird in this country and also in the world. The major threat in this site was over-reliance by the community members because they are using this ecosystem for their daily activities. And when we came in this site in 2021, we adopted an area of 400 hectares, and we've been planting here. On the onset of this project, we were able to contract 24 community members that we've been working with since 2021 up to this point. The reason why we maintain such a number, or we maintain these community members, because we wanted also to track the impact that the project is making on the communities living around here. Out of the 24 members that we're working with, we had around 60% women and youth, and then the rest were men who were doing the planting on a daily basis. We've been able to restore about 200 hectares so far, and we have been using 4 major mangrove species, that is Rhizophora mucronata, like the one that you can see on this plantation, Brugueria gymnorrhiza, Avicennia marina, and Syrops tagal. One of the key issues that we've been used has been very close to our heart is monitoring and evaluation. And in this aspect, we are monitoring 2 things. One, the ecological aspect of it, and this encompasses the survival rates, the mortality rates, the growth rates as well, and also how much these species are adopting in their specific zones. The other thing has been now the socioeconomic aspect of it. We just want to see how much the benefits the community are getting in this area are impacting their daily lives. And we can attest that from that, we've really impacted the communities. We can see, we can tell stories from that. People have changed even how they've been living their lives, can afford basic medical services, and they can also send their children to school. For the ecological aspect of it, we've been able to record more than 80% survival rates, which is a good thing. And the trees are growing very fast. Like, you cannot even imagine this is a 2-year Rhizophora mucronata sapling, which is more than 2 meters right now. And we are glad because of that. We'd like to give our appreciation and gratitude and thanks to Tree Nation for supporting us with this work. We could not have done it without your support, and also other partners who came in and ensured that we were working and delivering everything as required.